Fluorescent paint is bright and exciting on its own, but surrounding it with areas of flat, black color makes it practically sizzle. Why? The answer is a combination of art and science. Contrast is one of the principles that makes art more interesting. Contrast is created by placing opposite things together. Light and dark, brilliant colors surrounded by matte black. Our eyes find it very exciting. Science tells us that this contrast creates actual physical energy. Fluorescent colors contain phosphorus pigments that are stimulated by invisible light waves. Ultraviolet or UV light makes the phosphorus move, which creates energy and reflects those vivid colors back. In contrast, black absorbs light and reflects very little. When placed next to the fluorescent colors, the energy starts to slow down as it is being absorbed by the black, and that's why it appears to glow. You'll want to start by painting white paper. White also reflects the light back through the color and pumps up the energy. I used Blick Student Tempera paint to paint these pages. There are 8 different fluorescent colors, and you'll want to make some sheets that are solid and some that are color combinations. The paints only need 1 coat. It's okay to have some brush strokes. I like using tempera paint because it dries very quickly and is so easy to clean up with just water. After just a few minutes, the papers are dry and ready to cut into mosaic shapes. As I glue these onto black paper, let's talk a little bit more about contrast. We already mentioned light and dark. What other types of contrast can you think of? There's large and small. Some shapes have straight lines, and some are round or curved. Colors that are complementary or opposite one another on the color wheel. Shapes that have multiple colors contrast with ones that are solid color. The direction a shape is placed can form a contrast, up and down, left and right. You can use a black marker to draw on the shapes to form a contrast of lines. Aim for a variety. Make sure you leave black space between the pieces as you glue them down. Not only will this give it the look of a mosaic, but it will also enhance the glow of the fluorescent colors. Here's a mosaic that's finished. As a fun option, you can enhance the glow of the paper mosaic with fluorescent ink. This is an ultraviolet marker. It's great for writing secret messages that can only be seen when the UV light hits it. Turn out the lights and get ready for the oohs and ahs. We have more information about these neon materials and printable step instructions. Just follow the link to Blick.